Welcome! If you've ever wanted to quickly find all the Instagram posts you've liked in the past month, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to filter your Instagram likes by the past month using the latest version of the app. This method is perfect for keeping track of your favorite posts, revisiting content, or just staying organized with your activity. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to check. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. When the menu opens, select the option labeled Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you do on the app, from comments to likes and more. Next, tap on Likes. Here, you'll see a list of all the posts you've liked, but we want to narrow this down to just the past month. At the top of the Likes page, you'll notice a Filter by Date option. Tap on it, and a calendar will appear. From here, simply select Past Month. Instagram will automatically filter your liked posts, showing only those from the last 30 days. That's it. Now you can scroll through all the posts you've liked in the past month, making it super easy to find that one recipe, meme, or photo you loved but forgot to save. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.